Hey there, future designers. Today we are diving into the crucial aspect of design collaboration, the UX brief and task flow. Now, I know some of you might be scratching your head and wondering, what on the earth is UX brief? Well, fear not. By the end of this video, you will be UX brief expert. Alright, let's break it down. A UX design brief is like your project map. It tells everyone involved where to go and how to get there. Think of it as your design team's secret weapon for success. It outlines project goals, scope, budget, and key details, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Think of it as the ultimate collaboration tool. But hold up, what exactly goes into UX brief? It's your cheat sheet for the project. It spells out what the project all about, what challenges to expect, and what you are aiming to achieve. Plus, it also gives you insight about your product and who will be using it. Now let's see it in action. Imagine sending out a brief and getting a response that leaves you scratching your head. That's what happens with a bad brief. But fear not, with a good one you will get proposal that knock your sock off. So what's the secret sauce for the great UX brief? It's more than just a piece of paper. It's the heart and soul of your project. It clarifies what you are aiming for, gets everyone on the same page, and guides the design process to the success. Alright, let's talk results. A solid UX brief keeps everyone singing from the same hymn, makes the design process smooth as a butter, focuses on what really matters, and save your time and money. Now that's what I call win-win. I know you might be feeling overwhelmed. Don't worry, we have got a template to make things easy peasy. From defining the problem to sending your budget and timeline, it's got you covered. Oh, and there is a little secret. Knowing your audience is a key. By understanding who will be using your product, you can tailor it to fit like a glove. But here, let's learn from a mistake too. Being too vague, skipping user research, and dreaming too big can trip you up. But with a little practice, you will be avoiding those pitfalls like a pro. Okay, so that's all about UX brief. Now let's learn about the task flow. Ever heard of task flow? It's like a roadmap to success in the world of design. But hey, don't worry if it sounds like a foreign language to you, we are about to break it down for you. So what exactly is a task flow? Think of it as your step-by-step guide to achieving your goals. While user flow focus on decision and interaction, task flow visualize every step-by-step needed to get stuff done. Picture this, you are a new user trying to dive into the lesson on e-learning platform. Well, a task flow would map out every move you need to make, from logging in to completing your lesson. But here's the cool part, task flow don't always start from the beginning. They can zoom in on specific part of process as long as there are clear goals in sight. Now let's talk about the benefits. Task flow are like the superhero of UX design. They are super simple to create, making them perfect for those early brainstorming sessions when you are trying to figure out how to tackle a big project. Plus, you don't need fancy tool or design. Know how to whip one up. A pen and some paper and a dash of creativity are all you need to bring your ideas to a life. Talk about easy peasy, right? So there you have it, task flow damaged. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just dipping your toes into the world of UX, task flow and UX brief is your secret weapon for figuring idea into reality. So are you ready to give it a try? So let's get brainstorming.